Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tanu Wellness. If you are new here, I am Tanu, founder of Tanu Wellness. And today we are going to debunk some common myths about shoulder pain. Shoulder pain can be confusing and frustrating, especially when there is so much of misinformation out there. So today we'll tackle 5 common myths and set the record straight. Plus, stick around till the end for a crucial bonus tip. So let's dive in and clear up those misconceptions. In this video, I'll debunk 5 common myths about shoulder pain. From the idea that resting is the best solution to only athletes suffer from shoulder pain. By the end, you will have clear understanding on how to manage and prevent shoulder pain effectively. Ready to separate fact from fiction? Let's get started. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for more helpful content on health and wellness. Rest is always the best. You must have heard it so many times. It's a common belief that complete rest is the best way to treat your shoulder pain. While rest can be beneficial initially, prolonged inactivity can actually weaken your shoulder structure. It will slow down your recovery, leading to a lot of stiffness and weakness. Some movements and gentle stretches like flexibility exercises, strengthening exercises are beneficial. Also, activities such as range of motion, specific physiotherapy exercises will help in reducing your shoulder pain. So try to consult a healthcare expert if you're in too much of pain, because they will give you a tailored program for your shoulder pain. The phrase no pain, no gain is misleading, especially if when it comes to shoulder pain, experiencing pain during any form of exercise is not a sign of progress. In fact, it could indicate that the technique is not proper or you already have an injury. Pain is your body's way of signaling that something is wrong. So listen to your body. When exercising, it is crucial to differentiate between a discomfort and pain caused due to injury. Gentle movements are very effective in reducing shoulder pain. And if you experience intense kind of shooting pain while doing any exercise, stop immediately and consult an healthcare expert. Have you encountered any of these myths about shoulder pain? Then let us know in the comments and share your experiences. Stay tuned till the end for a special tip on how to listen to your body to prevent shoulder pain. Shoulder pain means surgery. Many people assume that shoulder pain leads to surgery. However, most of your shoulder pain can be managed effectively with conservative treatments such as physiotherapy exercises, medication, and lifestyle modification. Surgery should be your last option. In fact, you should avoid surgery. Physiotherapy exercises, in particular the strengthening and conditioning exercises, are extremely beneficial. Techniques such as manual therapy, therapeutic rehab conditioning exercises, and modalities can play a vital role in your recovery. So, when you're thinking of surgery, try all the conservative, other non-surgical options and then think about surgery. Try to avoid it. Shoulder pain is just a part of aging. While it's true that age-related changes are seen in shoulders, not only shoulders, other joints also, but shoulder pain is definitely not a part of aging. Many age-related issues can be managed and prevented completely with proper care and lifestyle modification. Regular exercises, maintaining good posture, eating nutritious diet, and staying active can keep your shoulders healthy as you age. Strengthening exercises, flexibility routines, mat pilates, physiotherapy exercises, ergonomic care are all part of keeping your shoulders healthy. So aging gracefully with healthy shoulders is definitely achievable. Only athletes get shoulder pain. It's a common misconception that shoulder pain affects only athletes or highly active individuals who are into sports. But no, in reality, it can affect anyone. Shoulder pain occurs due to various reasons such as overuse, overstrain, poor posture, repetitive movements, age related degeneration. Even those who are at desk job and have a poor posture or poor ergonomics, shoulder pain will be there. Understanding that shoulder pain can affect everyone highlights the importance of taking care of the shoulder and taking preventive measures. So if you're an athlete or not, taking steps to maintaining a healthy shoulder is crucial. Now for our bonus tip. Listen to your body. Yes, that should be our mantra. Let's emphasize the importance of listening to our body. Pay attention to any signs of pain, discomfort, and adjust your activities accordingly. Ignoring pain and pushing through it will only increase your injury and cause further damage. When you feel the pain, take a step back, rest initially, take some medications, apply ice or cold pack, and do some gentle stretches. Repeat this cycle. By listening to your bodies, you can avoid major problems. So don't ignore those signs. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel Tanu Wellness. Until next time, take care of your shoulders.